Metabolism boost. So this is the last slide that we're going to talk about, which is how metabolism is boosted by a healthy diet as well as physical exercise. So there's a wrong misconception that caffeine boosts metabolism that is actually debunked because while caffeine might boost metabolism in the short term, your body quickly gets used to it and that doesn't really last long. So this is the same with products that are promoted as metabolism boosters. So the best nutrition for metabolism is avoiding fried foods and refined sugars because they most likely end up as fat, specifically visceral fat or stomach fat. The best foods for metabolism are whole grains, vegetables, and lean proteins because your body can use it easier to fuel its functioning. So some of these examples of whole grains are spelt, quinoa, farro, chia, buckwheat, teff, amaranth, sorghum, millet, kamut. Um, so these are easy to get at the store, and I actually cook with a lot of them. Even lentils is a really good whole grain.